Okay, I kind of figure out where I made a mistake or couldn't figure it out. Get a pen and paper handy. Yeah, we're gonna do something here. Today, the 4th, which I'm already done. I already calculated that. Okay. Today, the 4th, I used 8 3/4 hours. Write it down. Alright, in fact, you can draw something like this. There you go. Whoop, 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 whoop. Come on, come on, come on. There. Come on. It won't do it. Okay. Let's start by the 27th, okay? Start writing 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, so March 27th, I used up 11.25 hours. Okay? 27th, I drove 11.25. On the 28th, I also used up 11.25 hours. On the 29th, I used up 8.5 hours. The 30th, I used up 11.25. If I'm going too fast, just rewind it and pause it. Alright, the 31st, I used 6. April 1st, I used up 8.5. Okay? On the 2nd, I used up 11 hours. On the 3rd, I used up 2.25 hours. And as I said, today, the 4th, I used up 8.3 or 8.75. That's basically 8 hours and 45 minutes. But since you can't write 8 and 45 minutes, you kind of round it to 8 3/4 or 8.25 or 8.5. Alright, so this is how you do your recap. Okay, starting the 4th, right there, starting the 4th, you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now see, this is the 8. I crossed that out already, right? Cross that. So basically what you want to do is you want to add what is that, the 29th, I think, yeah, 29th, which is 8.5, right? So you basically have to add up these hours from there all the way down to this, okay? And you come up with 56 hours, and that's how many hours I've used up. Okay, now you subtract that to 70, then you get 14 hours. That means at midnight tonight, I get 14 hours available hours, which is good because I can now do my 11 hours. I can do my 14 hours in 11 hours, or 11 hours in a 14-hour period. Alright, now see this number right here, 8.5. Tomorrow night, this is what I'm going to gain. I'm gonna gain this hours. That will be added into the hours that I will have that I will not use up. So for example, tomorrow I only use 10, right? So you basically add 8.5 to, well, I didn't use 4, so you have a remaining, I have a remaining of 4 hours out of my 14. That's just an example. So basically 8.5 plus 4. Then I'll have something like what, 12 something, 8, 12.5. And so basically that's how a recap goes. Whatever falls off is the recap that you gained the next day. So this is where I'm kind of scared, because I think by Sunday I will not have the 14 and 11. So yeah, I know. Let's see, 4 be 10 plus, wait, it'd be 4 plus 8.5. So I'll only have 12.5 hours to work with on Sunday. Okay? But let's just for example, let's write down 11.5. Let's just say I drive 11.5 tomorrow, because when I get up, I'm gonna end up using a quarter hours for a pre-trip, right? And then I know that I'm gonna have to fuel up tomorrow. That's another 0.25 hours. So that will be what my hours are tomorrow if everything goes well. Okay, so then you add you start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then you start crossing this out. Okay, let me cross that out. And again you add this number all the way. And so let me do that for a second here. Okay, so 11.25 plus 6 plus 8.5 plus 11 plus 2.25 plus, today was the 8.75 plus, tomorrow I could possibly be driving 11.5, and that's a total of 59.25. 59 and a quarter minus 70 equals 10.75. So 10 3/4. So on Sunday, this will be my available hours right here, 10 3/4, right there. And that just repeats the whole process. And then let's see, what is it? But on the 30th, I gain 11 1/4. But here's the thing that scares me. I only have 6 hours to gain on Monday, I think it is, right? Or is that Tuesday? I can't think that far ahead. But basically that's how it works, the recap thing. And I don't even understand it myself. So ask Eric. Eric Smith would know this quite a bit. He's a DOT certified. So yep, that's basically it. And but for some reason, let's just say for some reason, tomorrow I only get to drive 6 hours. Okay, well then this number would be less and that number would be more. The less this number right here, this is the number representing what you have used. This is the number, this is a good number. The higher that number is, the more hours you have available to work and drive. The higher this number, the lower this number. This is a bad number. It's really a bad number. You always want this to be at 70. If I had my way, I'd make that 70 or 60. But then again, it doesn't work like that. So, and I know you guys are looking at this, you're looking at this like a mirror kind of an effect. I have no way to turn it, so get your computer, get a mirror, and look at it like this. You'll see it. Alright, we'll catch you guys later. And I'm gonna go in, get me some grub. Peace.